I think there are a lot of exciting options on the horizon. The most exciting combination that we are seeing is a combination of teclistamab, which is a BCMA-directed bispecific antibody, with talquetamab, which is a GPRC5D-directed antibody. The ReDirect-2 demonstrated about an 80% overall response rate in patients with extramedullary disease. But what we really need to see is, do these responses stick? What's the duration of responses? But as far as treatments go, I think immune effector therapies are the way to go. They have achieved thus far unprecedented responses compared to what we have previously had. We also need to get creative, and we need to find ways on how to incorporate spatially fractionated radiation therapy. How do we incorporate potentially alkylator therapy in these patients? They still do have a role somewhere. We need to study them better, and most importantly, conduct dedicated clinical trials for extramedullary disease.